Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello everybody, thank you for joining me once again. Today I just want to talk about Ethereum. It's performed absolutely wildly recently, and actually, did I just take some profits? Yes, I did. I cannot believe it. It was very unusual. I've been holding this whole way. I haven't really been swing trading or doing much trading on Ethereum itself. I've just been day trading some smaller alts when I see breakout opportunities. But following this massive impulse from here on the 26th of April, which was only a week ago, let's remember, guys, we have seen some massive growth, a whole 36%. So I have decided to take some profits. Now we took this huge impulse and we have been hovering over the 20-day EMA on the 4-hour chart for a very long time. And what concerns me a little bit, I mean, I don't want to be bearish about this. I still am ultimately bullish about Ethereum, especially with its Ethereum to Bitcoin value over time. I really still think we are going to hit those big price targets, between $5,000 and $8,000. That's where I think Ethereum will eventually go. But for me, if I do see an opportunity, I do like to take action sometimes. You can see here that each time we had these large impulses, we have all of this space here. We haven't really backtested the EMA at all. We didn't do it here, and then we had this big impulse here, and we didn't do it here again. We just had these really violent impulses, and we've just had the same here over the last week. And if we look a bit closer up, we've also developed kind of a bearish pattern. You can see where I've actually entered a trade here. It could go wrong. I'm not saying it will definitely go right, but I think the odds are in my favor right now for a potential shorting position, so I have actually sold as we break out of this diamond position. My stop loss is just set back up here, so it's not a significant risk, but I think personally we will be coming back down to lower levels. If we do get our Fibonacci retracement tool and take a look at the extension, I think we can come back down to at least 0.7 or 0.6 on the Fibonacci for reaccumulation. I'm not saying this is going to break through the ice. I don't think that Ethereum is weak right now. I think it's extremely strong, and we all know that. And we have the EIP 1559 coming out soon. But I'm just looking for reaccumulation. So if I grab my highlighter, anywhere around, I suppose, following this level here, which meets our 0.618 and 0.7 Fibonacci, that's ideally where I'd want to reaccumulate. I wouldn't say it's not possible for Ethereum to come back down to this level here. Which is important to realize it can happen. Because if we look at the daily chart right now, guys, this is pretty, I don't know if this is historical, but this is crazy. Over the last 7 days, we have produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, 7 daily green candles. Now looking back, I can't find anywhere where we've produced this before. I've already looked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is phenomenal. I'd even like to see how it went in January, because that's when things kicked off. Let's have a look at January. So January was just here. I mean, even December was strong, but January is when we know that Ethereum is usually going to go completely wild. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we might need another red candle. Whether that's just a consolidation phase before we go up again, I can't say. I have no crystal ball. I don't know what the immediate future will be for sure, but I just think that we need a red candle here on the daily, no matter what, for us to at least consolidate a little bit and make new support. What is fantastic is at the previous all-time high, we have made this lovely support over here. We've consolidated, as you can see, right here. We come back to the previous all-time high. We consolidated for a while. There's a good 24 hours within that zone. And then we took blast off. So that's just a bit of news on Ethereum and where I'm going with it at the moment, guys. I think that we will come down perhaps in the short term, but we still have those huge goals of 3,000 and beyond. So this is just a bit of an opportunity, really. Not financial advice, of course, but this is what I'm following because it's what I believe might happen as we are just very overextended, and it doesn't look too healthy, in my opinion. It doesn't look super healthy. So that's why I'm hoping for a bit of a retracement. Things can slow down, and with logarithmic regression, we know that the longer things take, the bigger the all-time high will be. So let's be patient. If you do feel confident that you can make a trade here and there, then always, think about risk. And it's not bad to take profits, guys. I mean, this is why we're all here, to take some profits. I'm just very aware that we do have these massive volatile swings following impulses, and I do think we need to come back and meet this 4-hour chart, 20-day EMA. This is the 6, but at least on the 4-hour chart, it would be very good to see. And yeah, let's go. Let's see what happens. We've got the next month. May is going to look extremely strong, I think, with the altcoin market capital booming. And if we take a look at Ethereum to Bitcoin very quickly, please load. If we do have a look, my internet dead? I don't know. Oh, here we are. If we do have a look on the 30-minute chart, we can see that we've kind of got this symmetrical triangle going on. All the highs are exactly the same. We're not producing any higher or lower highs, but the lows are becoming lower. So I also do think that if we do push up to the upside, it may be because Bitcoin is actually breaking out of a pattern at the moment, or breaking down, shall I say. I think Bitcoin could fall down if it doesn't stick to consolidating here. As you can see that we had this triangle, same sort of triangle, but it's just fallen down slightly. So this could mean Ethereum holds that the Bitcoin value will go up, and therefore I will lose my trade. But oh well, we all win some, we all lose some. Anyway, guys, that's my quick video on Ethereum today. I love Ethereum. I don't talk about it much, to be honest, because, well, everyone talks about Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it's very hard for me as a new YouTuber to get any exposure. But I do look at Ethereum and Bitcoin all the time, and I do try to trade on them and use them as barometers as to where the rest of the market is going to go. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for joining me. Do the thingy with the thumbs up, ring in the notification bell, please subscribe. I'd love to grow this channel a little bit more. And yeah, it's nice to have this community. So thanks, guys. Peace, and stay safe. Peace.